Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Today we're going to be focusing on some delicious fully raw vegan dessert recipes. I have two main recipes that are featured in today's video. One of them features a delicious fully raw gluten-free brownie with a delicious simple chocolate drizzle, as well as a very tasty raw Nutella. There are many other dessert recipes included in my new raw Chocolatey cookbook. If you're interested in purchasing, it will be in the description box down below. It has over 60 exclusive fully raw vegan recipes. I put my heart and soul into this book, and I'm so happy to be able to share these delicious recipes with you all, whether you are fully raw vegan, whether you're looking to incorporate more raw meals into your diet, or whether you are high raw. I really feel like these recipes will be great for you. If you want to see more frequent content, you can go ahead and follow on Instagram or TikTok, and you can join the newsletter where I send out delicious fully vegan recipes every other day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. So after combining all of our ingredients into a food processor, we're gonna put it into a small container, whatever size you have. If you like them square or rectangular, we're gonna line them up in this container and place them into the fridge or freezer so that they can set, so they can be easier to cut. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a delicious and tasty, easy chocolate sauce drizzle. This literally is just equal parts cacao powder and equal parts agave. Super simple to make, and they taste so good with the brownie. And they really help to like bring a nice sweetness out into the brownies, because the cacao can sometimes make it bitter. Wherever you go, whatever you do, feel free to top your brownies with whatever you want. You can top them with fruits, sprinkles, frosting, whatever you desire. I decided to top my brownies with the chocolate sauce and some walnuts, and it paired together super well, and it was so tasty and delicious. I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. We are now gonna go ahead and make our quick and easy raw vegan Nutella. It's so simple to make. You want to make sure you're scraping down the sides every so often so that everything combines well and properly. My Nutella recipe makes a bit of a thicker Nutella, which is what the traditional Nutella is, but if you want to make yours a bit more runny, feel free to add more liquid. If a paper grain can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on. Fly on. Now we can see how thick and creamy this looks. You can feel free to leave some chunks of hazelnut in your Nutella. It's your recipe, it's your rules. I love how versatile this is. It tastes so good and it pairs well with fruit. I actually ended up chopping up some banana and some strawberry the next day. I honestly love dipping hazelnuts into this Nutella because it tasted just like a Ferrero Rocher or Ferrero Rocher. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is basically a chocolate that I used to love so much and be so obsessed with before I went vegan. Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's I feel like this recipe is great for a gift. I know that if somebody gifted me some homemade vegan Nutella, they must really love me because hazelnuts are not cheap, and also Nutella just tastes so delicious. And the fact that it's a healthy Nutella made with real cacao powder, so yummy and tasty. Thank you so much for tuning in on another video. Like I said before, these recipes along with 60 other raw vegan recipes and other raw desserts are in my new fully raw vegan no cookbook, which will be linked in the description box down below. I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Bye!